Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. In this video, I'm going to answer another frequently asked question. Okay, calculator used for SAT math. So this question goes like this. It said, how many calculator tricks should I learn before the SAT? Okay guys, to go straight and answer this question, this is my own personal opinion. Okay, what I think is right to follow. Now, to answer this question, I think or believe that focusing on about 10 to 15 impart techniques that repeatedly appear in SAT questions rather than trying to memorize dozens of advanced functions will be better. So just focus on about 10 to 15 techniques, SAT Math TI-84 techniques that repeatedly appear in SAT questions, rather than trying to memorize all of them on advanced functions. Okay, so I think this is my judgment on this. Try and focus on about 10 to 15, of which in the last video I recorded I showed you topics, start math topics that you should try to learn their calculator tricks, topics like quadratic functions, quadratic equations, systems of equations, function graphing, exponential growth, and the case statistics and probability, data interpretation, polynomial equations. Okay, so these topics, when you can master their calculator tricks, you'll be fine. Okay, so as oftentimes they come out in the SAT maths. So hope I answer this question for you. I see you in my next video.